Hello everyone, it's Pandarasie of Pandarasie, and I'm here at Botha Deysel Executive Motors. And why is Pandarasie here? Because I want to tell you the few reasons why you need to trade in your old car and why you want to buy a new car. So let's go. Hello! So, in South Africa, we used to drive on the left side of the road, but now we are forced to drive on what's left of the road. Therefore, get yourself a bakkie. So, as you saw that I need to downscale very tight, but here in South Africa inflation is going up at a fast pace. You can downscale to something a bit smaller but still stylish. Here at Botha Deysel, we've got quite a variety, even a car for your wife. You can't just talk the talk, walk the walk, and dress to impress. You have to have the right car to get you in style.